So the whole thing, literally the whole thing, I've committed to the spatula. I take that back. Oh, it's like raspberries and cream. Today we're making raspberry fluff. This very well may be the easiest dessert you will ever make. Large bowl. And 4 ingredients, only 4. Frozen raspberries, vanilla yogurt, a tub of Cool Whip, I'll talk about this, and a large box of vanilla instant pudding. So, my raspberries, I took out about 15 minutes ago from the freezer. They don't have to be completely thawed, but if you mix them in straight from the freezer, you can absolutely do that. But they might be a little cold. You might get a little brain freeze action going on. So, if you want, take them out of the freezer about 10 minutes early, set those aside, and then your Cool Whip. You want this thawed. So this container said to thaw it in the fridge for 4 hours, which I have done. And then this is a 32-ounce container of vanilla yogurt. It does not have to be low fat. This is just what I ended up with today. And you can use Greek. It'll just be a very thick raspberry fluff. So it will be it'll be a denser fluff, less fluffy. Either way, I have had it with Greek yogurt, but I'm using plain. So the whole thing is going right into our bowl. Literally the whole thing. Scrape it all out. If you have a favorite vanilla yogurt, just go with that. And I've never had this yogurt, so I'm just going to gave it a mix to get some of the liquid separation mixed back in. I'm going to give it a little taste test. Yep, that's vanilla yogurt. Okay, and then I have the 5.1 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding. Just dump the whole thing in. And then we just want to get all of the pudding mix mixed in. This might go a little easier with a whisk, but I've committed to the spatula. I take that back. We're going in with the whisk. I just want it to be nice and smooth. I'm going to give my whisk a little taste because quality control along the way. Tasty, very nice. Then we have our tub of thawed Cool Whip. I've never seen this before, True Whip, but when I went to the store today, all of the 8-ounce smaller tubs of Cool Whip were gone, and I didn't want to get a big one. Luckily, I saw this, and this says no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils, no artificial colors or flavors. So I am all on board with that. I'm gonna taste this little bit to see if it tastes like Cool Whip. It sure does. Now, the recipe calls for an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. This True Whip is 9 ounces. If you want to make your own whipped cream, by all means, go for it. I will leave proportions of cream and sugar down below in the description for you guys if you do want to make your own, if you don't already know it. Now, fold in the Cool Whip. We don't want to unwhip the Cool Whip. So, down and around and over. Down and over. No vicious stirring like I was with the whisk. And then the folding also encourages you to scrape down to the bottom. Make sure we are getting all of that yogurt and pudding mixture incorporated. So as soon as you see no more streaks of yellow and white, or when everything's pretty homogeneous, Everything's looking to be the same color. It looks so good right now, and we're not even done yet. Okay, quick taste test. Light and sweet. Last ingredient, frozen red raspberries. Now, the recipe says to use 1 package of frozen raspberries. It doesn't specify the size, and there was literally only 1 bag of raspberries of any brand in the freezer section at the store today. So this is a 12-ounce package. So just go with like the normal smaller size. No massive bags of raspberries. And then they're all just gonna go right into the bowl. I love raspberries. And then again, we just fold the raspberries into our fluff. Gently, because I feel like we could easily make a mess by throwing some raspberries out of our bowl. And then you're gonna get some pretty red pink streaks in there. Even more so as the raspberries continue to thaw, this is going to turn pink. Pink and white. Pink and cream. Oh, it's like raspberries and cream. Oh my goodness. You guys are in for a treat. This is awesome for a last minute dessert that you need to take somewhere. Woo. If you guys would take this dessert somewhere, hit that like button. I think I got it all. Are you guys ready to try it out? I'll get us a bowl. Bowl. Fluff. Yeah, gotten some pink streaks in there. My raspberries were still a little frozen, so watch your brain freeze. All right, let's give it a taste test. Raspberries, fluff, here we go. You know that yellow cake mix flavor? It's like you made a yellow cake with raspberries and it's in fluff form. Oh. This is kind of like a mousse. I haven't eaten a lot of mousses in my days, but this one, yep. I'm glad I went with the non-Greek yogurt. It's smooth and silky. Honestly, guys, how easy was that? You could whip this up in 10 minutes. It keeps well in the fridge. You'll probably give it a stir before serving it. If any of the moisture separates, that's fine. And then you're gonna get more red pink streaks as the raspberries continue to thaw. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Comments down below. And if you like this video, go check out this video or this playlist next. And I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching.